Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the turbo mode on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. The turbo mode spins at a higher speed than speed number 10 in manual mode, and the turbo mode can be accessed either by clicking on plus on the left side of the screen and selecting the turbo mode, or by going to modes and going to the turbo mode. It'll work basically the same. Now it works as you start pressing on the dial, and as you release it, it stops. I'll do it for a very short time. As you can see, the mixing attachment cannot be used. You need to insert the measuring cup to prevent splashes. Maximum filling capacity is 2.5 liters. And ensure that the maximum temperature does not exceed 60 degrees Celsius. That mode is great for chopping ingredients quickly, chopping hard ingredients quickly, but may wear your blades more quickly. So they may need to be replaced more frequently if you use this mode a lot. Now I'll demonstrate for a very short time how it works. Be ready for a loud sound now. Yeah, so that is the sound. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.